take a tunnel line, it's not that far. It's probably like a 50 pounder. Maybe like a 40, 50 pounder. It didn't feel like super heavy.
It ran, dude.
Did it run a little?
Nice and easy, man.
Yeah, nice and steady.
You want some water? I'm not kidding. I'm good for now.
Cranking on him. Let him. Next fight.
Yeah, uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
I don't want to stop, Chris, but
Why not? It'll make a difference. You're actually just making it harder for him. You can stop. We're not trolling anything anymore.
look at
He's kicking your ass. He's kicking your ass. Oh, I love it.
Oh, there's a bunch of bait under the boat right now, man. A bunch.
Oh, yeah. You can almost probably jig right now.
It's definitely good jig right now.
Let's see what
Hey, no, stay with him with this, Chris.
all right.
Come on, let's get one in here and then we can do that. He's getting close. Put that
See him right there. See him? Oh yeah, it's got color.
all right, this side, all right?
Huh?
This side.
Yeah. Oh yeah, he's out there. Oh, he's not even big. Like an albie or something.
It is.
You don't even need the gaff for that little fucker.
You can stick him.
You gonna keep it?
What's this good stuff?
Oh, you're real down. Little albie, little baby.
Didn't that kick my ass?
That little guy. He fought pretty good. I thought he was heavier.
Gonna put down the holder. Oh, shit. That little thing just whooped your ass.
It did.
You there still?
Feels like a little white one.
The little one?
Does that gimbal keep it from turning?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm
You want
such
the
a big rod.
You want the gable?
Cable. get with these outriggers. Half the weight reel it in, the fucking lower. Nice little one. A little bit bigger.
If you hook it back in, I'll tackle box.
Huh?
If you hook it in, I'll tackle box.
The de-hooker?
Where is it? Oh, over there.
In the,
On the other side?